15 ft. High-speed cable. This 15 feet Cat6 UTP patch cord connects critical components, such as servers, switches, routers, computers and hubs, in Gigabit Ethernet networks. Cat6 UTP patch cord rated for high-speed 1-GAPS communications. Slim design for better airflow. This Cat6 UTP patch cord is more than 38% smaller in diameter than standard Cat6 cable. This increases airflow in tight spaces, which helps keep your equipment cool and properly functioning. It also makes the cable easier to install around corners and through cable management panels. Black Snagless design. The RJ45 connector's Snagless design protects the locking tabs from being damaged or broken off during installation. The 15-foot cable is color-coded black for fast, easy identification in a crowded rack or workstation. Premium construction, superior performance. Manufactured from 28 Aruban fluorines copper wire, the 4-pair stranded cable is rated for speeds up to 1 GAPS. The ends feature 50-micron gold plating to help ensure the most accurate signal transfer possible. Top reviews from the United States. Working out and Wi-Fi are terrible. So for gaming, this cable works well if properly plugged into the port. No Wi-Fi, so if they are selling you cables for Wi-Fi, lack of cables is what Wi-Fi means. Essentially. And as far as working out, I guess if you wanted a jump rope, it seemed like it would work.